sure you already use Claude, but I promise you're using maybe 10% of what it can actually do. Because the real unlock is not Claude alone. It is Claude connected to every tool in your workflow through Zapier. Trust me on this, when you connect Claude to Zapier, you'll start seeing the real value. Claude stops being just a chatbot that you talk to and starts becoming an engine that takes real action inside the apps that you're already using every single day. Whether it's Google Sheets, Gmail, Slack, Salesforce, HubSpot, Notion, all of it. So here are 7 things you can do with them. 1. Write SEO blogs automatically. You keep a list of keywords in Google Sheets or Airtable, and Zapier picks them up, sends them to Claude. Claude writes the full post with those keywords woven in naturally and drops the draft back into Google Docs or directly into WordPress. Now your content pipeline is on autopilot. Number 2 is respond to messages without the back and forth. If you have a new Slack message in your team channel, Claude drafts a response and sends it. If you have a new email in your Gmail, Claude reads it, drafts a reply, and saves it in a draft so you can review. If you have a new lead come in through Salesforce, then Claude pulls that information, sends a personalized welcome email before you even opened your laptop. Now that is the kind of speed that actually wins deals. Then number 3, summarize everything you do not have time to read. Whether it's meeting transcripts, long articles, research docs, it doesn't matter. Claude reads it, pulls the key pointers, and sends you a Slack message with the summary. So you stop drowning in the information and start to actually act on it. Then number 4, write and publish social posts from a spreadsheet. So you add a content brief to Airtable. Claude turns that into a LinkedIn post, formats it for the platform, and either pushes it live or sends it to your queue for review. This is how you do content creation at scale without sounding like a robot wrote it. Then number 5, analyze feedback without the spreadsheet nightmare. You collect responses in a Google form or a type form. Then Claude reads every single one of them, categorizes them, surfaces the pattern, and stores the analysis in Google Sheets or sends you a Slack summary to your team. Now what used to take hours now would only take a few seconds. Then number 6, you can escalate critical issues automatically. When a new ticket hits your issue tracker, Claude reads it, determines the severity, and routes it accordingly. Critical issues trigger instant calendar events and direct Slack pings to the decision makers. High priority issues get scheduled meetings with the team notifications, and normal issues get logged for later. Every action tracked in a table with a full audit trail, so no more things slipping through. Then number 7, you can run multi-level design approval workflows. Somebody submits a design through a form, Claude reads it, classifies the asset, determines which stakeholders need to review it, and sends approval requests automatically and branches the workflow based on whether it is approved or rejected. Slack notifications, confirmation emails, tracking table updates, all without a single manual handover. Now, this is what I mean when I say production-ready AI, not some fancy demo. Claude plus Zapier embedded inside your actual workflow is going to be doing actual work in the actual tools that your teams are using. I linked the full Zapier blog in the comments with pre-built Zap templates for all the 7 of these, so you can click and set up any of them in minutes.